As you progress through the homework in the stats class, you're going to be coming across some assignments where you have data and you're going to be wanting to use StatCrunch for it. So you might want to notice, like in this problem, we have data, but I know that there's no way to upload this data into StatCrunch because it doesn't have a little icon that I'm looking for, and the icon looks like a little rectangle. It should be right around like the top right hand side of the data. Let's see if I can find one. Still no link to upload the data. Here's the first one where we can actually upload this data. See the little icon there? It's the rectangle on the right hand side there. So if I want to upload this data into StatCrunch, I can do that, and that's going to help us with some of the more tedious calculations. So in this case, they want to know about things like what's the most appropriate measure of center and spread. So that's based on whether or not this stem and leaf plot shows if the distribution is symmetric or skewed. I think in this case it's going to be skewed left. So the median would be most appropriate. I think in the next one they might ask us what the median actually is. Usually with the median we want the IQR that goes with that. Let's see what else they ask us. So in this case they're going to ask us which one's larger. Well, remember that these tailing values that skew it left is going to take the average and pull the average down. So when these values take the average and pull them down, that means that the median will be larger because it's skewed to the left. Let's see. Oh, sorry, they got the values descending here. For some reason, I was reading this as the values ascending, but they're descending. Sorry, scratch that. They would be skewed right. So the median's going to be, if it's skewed right, what does that do is it pulls the average up, pulls the average or the mean larger than the median. And then they actually want you to find the actual median in the IQR. That's when uploading into StatCrunch can be really helpful. So uploading into StatCrunch, I can then do the summary statistics and then select the variable. And that will find your median. The median 7. And the IQR is just the difference between these two. So the IQR is going to be 7. If you actually want the IQR to be visible, you can go back and edit it, pull down the different statistics, hit Shift, and click on IQR. And then it does give you actually the IQR visible to you there. So the median 7, the IQR is 7. That should do the trick. So the moral of the story, the purpose for this video is to show you that this little icon here can help you with some problems in StatCrunch, not only in this week's homework assignment, but in weeks to come, where you can upload the data into StatCrunch if they have this little icon there that helps you upload the data into StatCrunch. So I hope that's helpful and saving you some of the more tedious calculations and getting more to the heart of what the problem is wanting you to learn.